past few weeks have been a lot. Between starting my interior design classes and juggling my full-time job, life's been moving fast. I found myself retreating a bit, trying to keep up with everything on my plate, and honestly I just needed a breather. So I packed my bags, grabbed some friends, and of course Mochi, and left the city for a few days. It was Mochi's first time camping, and let me tell you, seeing this little city boy roam around in the woods was the kind of therapy I needed. This trip was about slowing down, reconnecting, and just being present. We made it. I think it's over there. I'm like unsure. It was supposed to rain and there's no rain at all. It's fully sunny, which I'm very grateful for. It's so hot out. I could literally swim right now. Recently I've been working out so much. I've been running, been going to Pilates, gym, so this is just another way to get some movement in. I love switching it up with my workouts, so this is a really fun activity for me.
Yeah, I think that's the only thing we need.
Just in the tent right now. It's super cozy and I didn't have time to vlog that much. As you can see on my forehead, we got bit by mosquitoes. I have 2 lovely bumps right now, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, vlog. We just woke up. It rained a bit. It was such a good night still. It was pretty comfortable. I don't mind sleeping in like small spaces. I think it's quite comforting actually. Now it's stopped raining. I've been outside of the tent for like 5 minutes and I've already gotten bit by a mosquito. So I went and put some repellent on. And now we're gonna go check the weather because hopefully it's not gonna rain. And there's no reception here. So I'm probably gonna go in the middle of the lake to study. Fun.
We got nowhere to be. Just a slow dance with the summer heat.
You can just change the blade. So like, short to
World outside can't wait a few. Cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds. Your hands still tangled up in mine.
It's his new thing and just climbs up. I think he wants a view of the other side, but he doesn't want to go on his own.
We got nowhere to be. Got nowhere to be.
Here's a section of the island where Helen and Iris are staying. Look how cute their tent looks. And they also have a really cute little section here with the bench. Just gorgeous. I love it. We're going to leave now. I'm probably gonna study and they're gonna go fishing. Ah! They made it! We're just all tied together. Max efficiency, as you can see. I'm clearly the last one, so I'm just chilling like I was before. Honestly, it's such a nice day. It's not too sunny. There's good wind, so no it's too hot. So it's been really amazing. I'm scared Mochi's gonna fall in the water. Mochi has been testing the waters. The first time he got really excited and he dunked his entire face in the water. The second time I tried to put him in the water, but the water was a bit cold, so I pulled him out because I felt like he didn't love it. Next time I'll definitely go with him in the water. I'm sure this vlog is going to be of lots of flattering angles coming from me. Trigger warning.
So
Vincent got umbrella, Kevin got circle, Helen got star, Iris I can't see, circle, and it's the last day. Oh, you sleep well, Mochi. I think I slept well, guys. Good morning. Oh, I think Mochi needs to go. We're leaving. It was raining all night. And now we're just gonna pack. We're doing the lunch today. We're probably gonna do hamburgers for everyone. And I think Helen and Iris are staying. But yeah, time to do eat cake.